Hey guys, Tara Ryan here, and today's tip from Tara is about open houses and two little language changes that you can use to have more success with potential buyers and an offer for you at the end. So the first is the most common question that I hear asked at open houses. Heard you do it over and over is, are you working with a realtor? Do you have a real estate agent? So you're asking a yes or no question, and it's very easy for them to say yes and kind of build up a barrier between you and them. I'd like to think of it kind of like if I go shopping and I go into Ann Taylor and they say, "Hey, can I help you? Can I help you with anything?" I'm going to say, "What? No, I'm just browsing." Right? It's a reflex answer. So I would suggest that you change it to, "Oh, hi, welcome. Who is your realtor? Who is your real estate agent?" Smile and pause. You're asking the same question, but because it's not a yes or no answer, they'll either tell you who their actual agent is, great, and then you can proceed from there. "Oh my gosh, I know her, she's great, blah, blah." Or they'll stutter and you'll realize they don't really actually have anyone picked out. And now you have a more open discussion that you can have from there. Another one is when you want to collect their email addresses as they come through. Instead of saying, "Oh, do you have an email address?" Right? You want to switch it to say, "Oh, what is your email address? I want to add it here. And I've got an offer for you to help with that." We are offering up a open house login page that we're happy to provide to you. And by your potential buyers signing up on this page, they'll be entered in a raffle that I'm hosting and paying for on your behalf. So it's a good way for you to offer something of value, a reason to collect their contact information, their number, and their email address. And then as a reward, we'll do a $50 gift card for the winner that we select from the list of potential buyers. Win-win for you and I get some buyers that I can follow up with and try to warm up with a pre-approval. You get all their contact name and information without having to actually do that marketing drawing yourself. So let me know if you're interested on any of your open houses. And as always, we're here to help.